Last night, I could hear wolves calling to each other in the distance as I fell asleep to the crickets and owls. While I'm riding at a pretty leisurely pace, I'm in no rush to leave in the mornings. However, the decision to not bring any cooking gear leaves me void of my morning coffee routine. So I pack up quickly, calculating in my head the distance to the next town. Another morning. It was cool out last night with a clear sky. I woke up and it was 1 degree. Well, it's day 4 and I'm 375 kilometers into my relaxing ride of the Log Driver's Waltz. And it's a pleasant 20-kilometer roll into Calaboogie. But the only thing that was open was a corner store. But that's okay. I was craving butter tarts and chocolate milk anyway. And why not? I'm on vacation. If you like what you're watching, why not hit that like button? Maybe even share it with a few of your friends.
That's one wrinkled foot. That's what happens when you have 3 days of wet feet. What do? Dry them off as much as you can.
The town of Renfrew has hockey running in its veins. Did you know that most of the hockey tape used in Canada is made right here? It's not surprising when you find out that the owner of the Renfrew Creamer Kings, Ambrose O'Brien, created the National Hockey Association in 1909, which later became the NHL. weather has finally turned from the rain to the wonderful afternoon sun, and it's warm and welcoming. The smell of freshly cut hay is filling my nose as the afternoon sun energizes the freshly planted fields. Rolled into Campbell's Bay a little later than intended, nursing a hamstring issue, but that's okay. At this late hour, I enjoyed seeing deer running in the fields under the crimson sky. The only challenge would be figuring out where I was going to hang my hammock.